again.
Good afternoon, Natalie.
Okay, now this time we are going to discuss composing forms of literary writing. However, before we proceed with that, what was our topic last time? What did we do last time? Huh? Okay, very good. We did an argumentative essay writing. Okay, so more likely you are already familiar how to write the argumentative essay. But this time, do not worry because you will not write an essay anymore. That was really painstaking, nerve-wracking. And I hope that you will finish your outputs before the periodical exam. So, again, what is the title of our topic for today?
Compose forms of literary writing.
Okay. Now, there is this literary selection or text that we are going to discuss, and that is entitled Androcles. Now, I want you to get your notebooks, and on your seats, you are going to do something. Go. Get your notebooks. Alright. I want you to write at least 3 sentences on what you are seeing there. Describe it. Yes, what do you see? Where do you think it is? When do you think this happened? Go. You put all your thoughts in right here. This is a lion. This man is what you call gladiator. Okay. And this is an arena. The place is called an arena. Arena or a coliseum, where the show is being held. Okay. Who would like to share? Who would like to share? Baron, can please share? It's okay, as long as you use English. 2 heads? Okay, so what do you have to see there? The lion has 2 heads. And then what else? Okay, there's this person, or what we call the gladiator, okay, facing the lion. But what do you think are they doing? They are? Okay, they are probably getting ready to fight. Guys, listen. Who do you think would win in this battle? Why? What else?
Mama yung tao. Magpapasok kayo yung doon na ulo.
Ha? Nasa the lion, but what about the gladiator? Probably he was trained not to fight the lion. Now, the objective of this lesson, you are expected today, after this lesson, to, everybody please read,
Identify create all the stories with the same theme.
Alright, everybody say theme.
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 Featured.
Feature.
Featured.
Feature.
Okay. And
Appreciate the value of writing.
appreciate the value of writing. So, later on, we will try to find out the unfamiliar words from the selection, and we will try to define them and how they were being used in the selection. Okay? And then, of course, we're going to create your own stories and appreciate the value of writing. Now, I am going to group you. We will have 6 groups with 4 members. So you will be group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, and group 6. Now here's what we're going to do. Yes, individual notebooks, diba? Yes, on your notebooks. Write your own
from his master and fled to the forest.
Okay, what was the highlighted word there?
Slave.
Slave. So from the sentence or the context, okay, what do you think is the meaning of slave? Okay, slave was like a person who is being needs to do a job for the master because he escaped from his master. Meaning to say he has a master or someone who owns him, okay, and fled to the nearest forest. Sometimes, guys, before when they are being bought, when they are already bought for some amount of money, they are already the property of that person. Verse 2.
As he came nearer, Androcles saw that the lion's paw was wounded. He found that a huge thorn had got into it and was causing all the pain.
Okay, so what do you mean by wounded? Cut or bruised by something that is sharp. Okay? Here's lion and the human being can be friends. Right? Can have a good relationship just like humans to their pet dog. Your title and your name. And then, if you want to write or if you want to draw something or like an illustration for your story, you may do that. Okay? That will be a plus